Hello, hello. Today, Atlantic cloud around the Agong, which happens pretty often. Sometimes it's super beautiful, and today it's nothing an exception. We'll go to Kubu, we'll do wreck dive. Today I'm going to make someone to try Sidemount. Just simply I need to fix out the problem with the breathing, because the diver who will dive with me, he is a beginner and it's really hard to make them focus on breathing. Even I've been giving him exercises to practice at home, it still doesn't work, just simply because more than a half of the dive he is busy with the buoyancy and other things, and finally when he starts thinking about the breathing, it's almost end of the dive. And that's how it's happening with everyone. I remember myself when I started diving, I always was like, okay, I will think about my breathing, but finally I was busy with another things, and I really started thinking about it in the end of the dive. Incredibly beautiful. Took one torch. Laura ordered it from AliExpress. Finally Adriana, when she came from Germany, she brought it here. I really want to check out. I've seen underwater videos what Laura made, and I like the light, but we'll see how it looks like inside the wreck. light really matters. It's changing so much. I took this torch or light, video light from Laura. You know, the hardest for me always been to edit all these videos, to do the color grading underwater, because if there is not enough light, the GoPro is not really a camera with a sensitive sensors. It's just a simply action camera. Today being a good day, a lot of fish. It's like still in the boat. Yeah. There. Yesterday our neighbor Vajan, he brought some of the guys out for fishing, and he said they've been going all the way up to Lombok and didn't get even nothing. They got nothing. It's like, I don't know, maybe because of this time changes, because of this crazy currents, maybe that's why. And here, that's how our mountains looks like today. Today it looks a little bit wavy on this side of the island. It's not that big waves. If you look towards here, then you can see the wave is not that big. But I think we're gonna go to Tulambon area where, I don't know, because the waves coming from this way, if you go to the Tulambon, then it's not that wavy. Anyways, we will have some waves, but we'll do 2 dives. Which dive sites I still don't have any idea. Maybe Liberty Wreck. It's peaceful and nice, and especially for the person who haven't been diving for a couple of months, I think it will be less stressful and easier for all of us. It's 2 p.m. and it's already rainy. We finished 2 dives. The first one we did Liberty. Actually, the visibility became better than the last week. The top layer, like first couple of meters, was a little bit milky, but as long as you get down to some 3-4 meters, good visibility. The second dive we did a drop off, beautiful, no currents, really light one, and a lot of butterfly fishes. We were looking around with the hope to see mola mola, but no, not today. And it was great. It's great to have Marika back. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, smash the thumbs up button, and see you on the next video again. Bye.